Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to check your brake fluid and top it off in this 2007 Mini Cooper S. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Open the door. Over here, down near the footrest, there's a little lever. Pull that lever. So the hardest part about this is trying to find the hood safety. It's over in this vicinity over here. What you want to do is take a ruler or a tape measure, line it up with the eye, and go over 9 inches. And then grab underneath there. And then you're just going to feel a little lever. You're going to push up. That's the lever. To check the brake fluid, over here there's a little cover. You're going to release this tab. Just pull this forward, and then this cover slides open like that. Brake fluid cap is right here. You want to take a rag and wipe off any dust or dirt. You don't want any of that getting into the brake fluid when you're checking it. There is a min and max line on the side. If you can see that, then you can check it right there. Sometimes if you shake the reservoir a little bit, you can see where the fluid level is. This one's a little bit high. To take the cap off, we're going to twist it to the left. On this cap, it actually says the type of fluid. It is a .4 brake fluid. So you can top it off there and then put the cap back on. If your brake fluid level is very low, it's a good idea to check out the rest of the brake system to see if you have a leak or if your brake pads are very low, because generally the fluid will not just evaporate. If it is low, there is a problem, and you're going to want to find out what that problem is. Now we'll close the lid, slide it down, and then lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.